Yeah, so let's start with dictionary today. So dictionaries are used to store data in key value pairs. So whenever you want to store data in a key value, okay, so brand is Ford, model is Mustang, year 1964, okay, so ID 101, name Sudhir, pin code some 5600. So whenever you wanted to store the data in a key value format, you must have to use dictionary. So in Python, dictionaries are basically used for storing the data in key value pair. Dictionary items are ordered, some of the properties. So dictionary items are ordered, changeable, but does not allow duplicates. Okay. So it doesn't allow duplicate keys. So to talk in a proper approach, so when I say duplicates, it's nothing but keys. Keys are not duplicated. Okay. So you cannot have another key as a brand. You have one key brand, another key model, another key year, but you cannot have one more key as brand. Okay, because it doesn't allow duplicate. You can add the dictionary, you can and then you can update the existing values, you can remove the existing values. Okay, so add, remove you can do, that is nothing but changeable. And ordered is nothing but whatever the way you inserted the items, in the same way you can retrieve them, that is nothing but ordered. So we already discussed about that, what is ordered, changeable, and duplicates. Okay, so let's make some exercise on the dictionaries. And remember, dictionaries are used to store the data in key value pair, and dictionaries should be written in curly bracket. Okay, so let's do some practice. So let's paste the dictionary and let's run the dictionary. So here you can see that the dictionary has three items. Okay, three items, one, two, and three items. Okay, and each item is a key value pair. Okay, so brand Ford. So here you can see brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Okay, so as I mentioned, dictionary is ordered. So whatever the way you inserted the values, in the same way you can retrieve them. Okay, so the first one is brand, the second one is model, the third one is year. Okay, in the same way you can retrieve it. Okay, and if you want to get a particular value, you need to mention the key. What is the key? So the keys are always on the left hand side. Brand is a key, model is a key, year is a key. Okay, key value pair. So when I say brand is a key, the value of the brand is Ford, key, and then value. So let's say if I want to get the model, type the model. That's a key. Type the key. Okay, so you can see that. And if I want to get the year, so dictionary name and the key. The key here is year. Okay, so 1964. Okay, so that's how you can create a dictionary and print the whole dictionary, and you can get a value based on the key. Let's learn some more methods. Let's say if I want to add an item to the dictionary and remove an item from the dictionary. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. Okay, and then print the dictionary. Can you see that a new key is added? Okay, so if you want to add an item to the dictionary, you can use the dictionary name in the square bracket, the key equal to value. So let's say if you want to add one more item in the form of key value pair, for example, the key is color and the color is red. Okay, you can see that. So transmission, color, both are added. Okay, so let's say if you want to remove the item from the dictionary, so there is a method called pop dot pop. In that you can give the key. Okay, for example, let me give the brand as a key. Okay, let me give one more key. You can give any number of keys. Okay, model or year. Okay, so I'm removing brand and also the year items. So let me print after that. So check the last one. So the brand is removed and year also removed in the last, right? The pop is used to remove the items from the dictionary. Okay, okay, so when you want to know number of items in the dictionary and when you want to know the type of variable, we can use the length and type methods. Okay, so okay, so the length of the dictionary is 3. Okay, that is nothing but each item. So key value pair, one pair is one item. Okay, so there is this is the first pair, this is the second pair, and this is the third pair. Total 3 pairs, nothing but total 3 items. Okay, and as I mentioned, the type of the variable is this dictionary. The type of variable is dictionary. Okay, yeah, let me show you some more methods in the dictionary. Okay, this dictionary dot keys, okay, so which is going to return a set of the keys, and that you can store it in a variable. Yeah, any variable, it's up to you, the variable x. Okay, so what are the keys here? Brand is the key, brand is the key, model is the key, year is the key. These are the keys. Okay, so let me print x. You can see dictionary keys, brand, model, year. In the same way, you can also you can also retrieve the values alone. So put it into another variable y or any other variable name and print that y. Okay, dictionary values: Ford Mustang 1964.